Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your chord limit has been reached in your Apple Music. So when you're using your free trial and you may face that problem that you just chord limit has been reached in your iPhone, maybe iPad and an Apple Music. So you want to fix that issue in your iPhone. So you simply just have to just follow some steps to fix your issue in your iPhone. Simply just go back and just go to settings of your iPhone, and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. And also go to general section and just scroll down and just go to transfer reset iPhone and just go to reset section and just reset your network settings. After that, simply just go back and just go up and again back and just go up and simply just go to Apple ID and just go to sign in and security and just wait for the second. And here you just have to change your password of your Apple ID. After changing your Apple ID password, just go back and just scroll down and sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone and just reset your iPhone. Sorry, you have to just again off your iPhone for pressing the power off button, and again on your iPhone and just log in your Apple ID in your iPhone, and your problem gonna fix in your Apple Music. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.